In this video, we'd like to represent you a step-by-step registration guide at our user-friendly e-commerce platform. By registering, you will be able to create personalized profile, manage your preferences, check the prices, track orders, and easily reorder items you have purchased before. So, let's start. To begin, click on the Register button, and you will be presented with a simple registration form on your screen. Enter your email address. Create strong password with at least 6 characters. The password should contain a capital letter, a small letter, and numbers. If the passwords you enter do not match, the system will generate an error. If you're an individual who are not associated with heating, ventilation, and air conditioning related activities, for example, you're a home owner or renter, please choose the registration like a private person. Indicate your title, first name, and the last name. In this field, please provide your address and other contact information that you typically use for correspondence. Street where you reside, house number, town, postal code. Select your country from the drop-down list. Choose your preferred language for cooperation from the options provided. Provide your mobile number. Select the appropriate country from the drop-down list. Landline phone number. If you don't have a landline phone number, please repeat the mobile one. Sentera wants to keep you informed about interesting new developments in your area of business. For that, we need your permission. In every communication, you will have the possibility to unsubscribe or to change your preferences. After filling out the registration form, please click the Submit button. We are almost ready. You can choose the option for confirmation via SMS or email. Please click the button to receive the code via SMS and wait a few minutes. Please enter this code in the confirmation code field. If you don't receive the code, which can sometimes happen, you can request the code to be sent via email. This code is essential for us to confirm the accuracy of the provided phone number or email address, ensuring effective communication in the future. After filling out the registration form, please click the Submit button. Your form has been successfully submitted, and you have already access to your personal e-commerce environment. We appreciate your interest in our heating, ventilation, and air conditioning control solutions. Welcome to the Sentera.